So this is the turquoise, bright green, lemon yellow V that I created for my brother. And I'm just now cutting the ties. It's been rinsing for probably about 10 minutes. Turquoise really needs a lot of extra rinse time. I was hoping for more yellow to show up, but it got swallowed up by the green and the blue combining. Just sort of have to take your time, make sure not to cut the shirt. I like to collect all of the loose string so it doesn't go down the drain. Oh, I see some really bright yellow and some turquoise still showing up. Bear with me while I get every string. So right now I'm washing in very tepid water. You don't want it to be too hot. As you can see down below, there's still a lot of dye that's rinsing. You want to rinse until the water gets as clear as it can. The shirt was originally folded inside out and then in half. So you see I'm sort of struggling getting the wet t-shirt to come apart. Oh boy. Oh, this is exciting. Look at all those bright colors. I think this is going to turn out really nice after the washout. Yeah, that looks really pretty. Now I'm just continuing to rinse. As you notice, the water is pretty much clear. Oh, that looks really nice. Thank you for watching.